Hi, I'm Sumeet. So we've put together a very special kit for winter care, especially for Wellcure students. This has 6 items: cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil, aloe vera gel, rose water, lavender essential oil. You can make a variety of products with this kit. So for those of you who have the e-learning program and you have the recipes at the end of the e-learning skincare program of mine, you can make a variety of recipes, and these are good for all skin types. You can make body butter, you can make a lip balm, you can make a lotion. So all things for winter care you can make from these 6 ingredients. So do try them out. A lot of permutations are possible, and do share your feedback with me. Thank you. Bye.